going to show you the basics of using Microsoft PowerPoint. When you click on Microsoft PowerPoint, you're going to see a screen similar to this. And because we're just showing you the basics, I'm just going to click on blank presentation. This is going to bring me to a title page. You will always see this kind of slide at the beginning so that it can introduce your project. So right now I'm going to pretend like I'm doing my presentation on a book report. So I'll just type in my book report, and where it says add subtitle, I'm going to add my name so that when people see this first slide, they know who did the book report. After you do that, you obviously need more slides over here on the side, and PowerPoint does not provide that for you. So you can go up here to Insert, and right here where it says New Slide, click here where the down arrow is, and it will give you a choice of different slide layouts. If you wanted to do something where you had picture and text, you could choose this slide. If you were going to compare two things, you might want this slide. I personally almost always choose the title and content slide, and I can kind of mess around with it and add different things that I want as I go. So click on this, and this box up here gives you room to put the title of this particular slide. So only the information on this slide is what you need to focus on right now. So because I'm doing my book report, I will make this slide about the characters. So I'll introduce the characters to everyone from my book. So you could highlight the title, go back up to home, and if you watched our Microsoft Word tutorial, we showed you how to make your text centered. You can go up here to the up and down arrows to increase or decrease the font size, or you can go to the drop-down menu and you have a lot of choices. Since this is a title, I'm going to make the heading, the title, a little bit bigger than I will the text in the box below. So I'm going to keep it at 66. We also showed you how to change the font style. So you have a drop-down menu, you have a ton of choices, and what you make the font style is totally up to you. I would make sure that whatever font style you're choosing is pretty easy to read. Some of these can be a little hard to read, and when people are viewing your presentation, you don't want them having a hard time reading the information that you have on your slide. So for right now, I'm just going to keep it a basic font, but again, you can choose whatever you want. When you click in this box below, you can add the information however you want. Some people might want to make a list of characters. Some might also want to add pictures. I would try to make it pretty simple and to the point. When people do PowerPoint presentations, you shouldn't have too much information on each slide. If you're presenting it, you can always talk more about the information, but don't try to put so much information that people can't read the slide. So once you type in whatever information you want people to know about the characters in your book, you're going to need more slides. So you can go back up here to Insert. And last time we clicked this, which gave us a choice of different layouts. But if you want the same exact slide layout, you can click here, and it will just add a duplicate slide below, and you can do that for the rest of the presentation. So stay tuned for other videos where we're going to show you how to do animations, transitions. We'll talk about slide design, but this is just the basics to help you get started with Microsoft PowerPoint.